Did you know that losing belly fat after 60 has very little to do with how many sit-ups you do? In fact, the real secret lies in how well your body circulates blood, delivers oxygen to your muscles, and manages something called nitric oxide. Most older men believe belly fat is just a part of aging. They think, oh well, I'm slowing down, my metabolism is gone, and I just have to accept it. But that's not the truth. Even after 60, you can melt belly fat, build strength, and feel more energetic than you have in years if you know how to combine two powerful approaches: simple at-home workouts and natural herbs that restore circulation, hormone balance, and vitality. Part 1. Why belly fat becomes stubborn after 60 as men age. A few things happen inside the body. Testosterone levels decline, and testosterone is one of the biggest drivers of lean muscle. Less testosterone means less muscle and slower metabolism. Blood circulation weakens, meaning fewer nutrients and oxygen reach your muscles. Without proper blood flow, workouts feel harder and recovery takes longer. Nitric oxide, the molecule that relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation, plummets with age. Low nitric oxide doesn't just hurt heart health. It also limits energy and fat dash burning. So if you've been exercising but still struggling with a growing waistline, it's not your fault. The issue isn't effort, it's physiology. That's why the combination of smart full-body workouts and herbal circulation boosters can create a transformation. The workouts fire up your metabolism. The herbs unlock your circulation, testosterone and nitric oxide, helping your body actually respond. Part 2. Full body workout to burn belly fat at home. Now let's talk about the workout. This routine is designed for older men. It's safe, joint-friendly, and requires no gym equipment. Just a chair, maybe a set of light weights, or even water bottles if that's all you have. And remember, this is not about killing yourself with long workouts. It's about activating your whole body, boosting metabolism, and keeping your hormones balanced. Exercise 1. Chair squats. Stand in front of a sturdy chair. Slowly sit down, then rise back up. Keep your core tight, chest up. Do 1015 reps. Why it works. This builds your largest muscle groups, quads and glutes, which burn the most calories and protect against falls. Exercise 2. Standing. March with arm swings. March in place, lifting knees high. Swing your arms naturally. Do 30 to 60 seconds. Why it works. Elevates heart rate, improves circulation, and stimulates nitric oxide naturally. Exercise 3. Wall push-ups. Stand a few feet away from a wall. Place hands shoulder width apart. Slowly lower toward the wall, then push back. Do 8 to 12 reps. Why it works. Strengthens chest, shoulders, and triceps without strain on joints. Exercise 4. Seated leg extensions. Sit on a chair. Extend one leg forward. Hold for 2 seconds. Then switch. Do 10 reps per leg. Why it works. Builds knee strength and stability for walking, climbing stairs, and balance. Exercise 5. Modified jumping jacks. Low impact. Step side to side while raising arms overhead. Do 30 to 45 seconds. Why it works. Boosts metabolism and burns fat while being easy on joints. Repeat this circuit 2 to 3 times, resting as needed. It should take about 15 to 20 minutes. And when paired with the right nutrition, it's a powerful belly fat burner. Part 3. The herbal boost, circulation, nitric oxide, and prostate health. Now here's where most men miss the mark. Exercise is fantastic, but if your circulation is weak, your muscles don't get what they need. That's where herbs come in. For centuries, traditional medicine has used plants to improve blood flow, hormone balance, and energy. And modern science is now confirming what our ancestors knew. Let me share with you 5 powerful herbs and teas that every man over 60 should know about. Herb 1. Ginkgo biloba, used for centuries in Chinese medicine for memory and circulation. Modern studies show it boosts nitric oxide, helping blood vessels relax. Better circulation means more oxygen to muscles and more fat burning. Bonus. Also supports brain health and reduces dizziness. Herb 2. Maca root, known as the Peruvian ginseng, boosts stamina, libido, and energy naturally. Supports testosterone balance, which is crucial for muscle preservation. Why it matters. Higher testosterone helps shrink belly fat and build lean muscle. Herb 3. Epimedium, horny goat weed, famous vitality herb, improves nitric oxide and circulation. Helps with prostate health and muscle recovery. Older men who add this often report stronger workouts and faster recovery. Herb 4. Green tea packed with EGCG, a compound proven to boost fat burning by up to 15%. Supports metabolism, circulation, and energy. Tip: drink a cup before your workout for extra fat burning power. Herb 5. Hibiscus tea, powerful antioxidant tea that lowers blood pressure and supports circulation. Helps your heart stay strong during workouts. Added bonus: refreshing taste and easy to sip daily. Part 4. A real life story. Let me share a story from one of my patients. George, age 68, came to me saying, "Doc, I feel like I'm slowing down. My belly keeps growing no matter what I do. I get winded after climbing stairs, and honestly, I feel old." We started him on this exact home workout routine, just 15 minutes a day. Then we added a simple herbal tonic: green tea in the morning, ginkgo in the afternoon, and maca root. With his evening SMOOTA. Within 6 weeks, George had lost 15 pounds, most from his belly. But more importantly, he said, "I feel younger. I can play with my grandkids again. I even have more energy than I did 10 years ago." Stories like George's remind us, age is not a prison sentence. With the right tools, transformation is possible. Part 5. The 7-day challenge. So here's my challenge for you for the next 7 days. Do this. Perform the full body workout once per day, just 15 to 20 minutes. Add at least 1 herbal tea or tonic, green tea, ginkgo, maca, or hibiscus. Notice the difference in your energy, belly tightness, and overall confidence. You'll be surprised how quickly your body responds when you give it the right push and support. Your age does not define your health. At 60, 70, or even 80, your body still has the power to burn fat, build strength, and feel alive again. So don't wait. Start today. Take control of your health and your future. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. It really helps us reach more men just like you. Subscribe to our channel for more natural strategies for staying strong after 60. And tell me in the comments below, which herb or exercise will you start with today?